Tap your
Hello, everyone. Good morning from the Philippines, and I'm currently eating egg omelette, hot dog with eggs, hot dog with eggs, and corned beef guisado. Corned beef cooked, fried in garlic and onion, and I have papaya achara. This is pickled papaya. What's papaya in English? So this is pickled papaya. It has red bell peppers, carrots, and green papaya turned into yellow because of the vinegar. And then coffee with creamer, no sugar, and also just steamed rice. Thank you for the compliment.
tap your